Meaning of lipoprotein.
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 Lipoprotein. Lipoprotein refers to a type of biochemical particle that is composed of both protein and lipid, fat, molecules. Lipoproteins are involved in the transportation of lipids, such as cholesterol and triglycerides, through the bloodstream and play an important role in maintaining overall health. There are several types of lipoproteins in the body, including chylomicrons, very low-density lipoproteins, VLDL, intermediate-density lipoproteins, IDL, low-density lipoproteins, LDL, and high-density lipoproteins, HDL. LDL is often referred to as bad cholesterol, while HDL is known as good cholesterol. High levels of LDL in the blood have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke, while high levels of HDL are associated with a decreased risk of these conditions.